Hello friends, welcome to our channel. First of all, sorry for this long time in our next video. So let's come to today's video. Today's video is all about a domain name. What is domain name, types of free domains and domain types. Domain registrar, we will talk about domain registrars, domain marketing, and which is best domain name for your website. Okay, let's start now. Domain name. What is a domain name? Basically, a domain name locates an entity on internet. The term after www is known as domain name. Like we can see here it is. If you want to visit our website, then you have to put a URL in the box. That URL moonkinghackersclub.com. This term is known as a domain name. Now what is this term, what this means, we will understand in this video. Like take an example, if someone wants to reach me, then he will go through my address. Similarly, this, if someone wants to reach an organization online like other websites, sites and other private companies, then he would follow an address. That address is known as domain name. And here our domain name is moonkinghackersclub.com. Let's now figure it out why domains are used. Like we can use other things. Why these are important today, domain names so important today. Domain names are used to identify one or more IP addresses. Like an organization has so many IP addresses. Like take an example of Microsoft.com. Microsoft.com has a dozen of IP addresses. So there is domain name used to define and identify that IP address. Now come to our next topic, that is domain types. Actually there are three types of domains. The first one is top level domain names. Top level domain, short term is TLDs. You can find top level domain name. It is generally at the right end of a domain name after dot. Like take an example like .com, .net, .org. Like as I said before, the domain top level domain name is at the right hand after dot. Like here it is dot, and this one is known as top level domain name. At the right end of whole domain name after dot. Okay guys, so this is top level domain. Now further, top level domain is divided into two parts. The first one is generic top level domain name and the other one is country code top level domain name. Generic top level domain can use by publicly. These are like .com, .org, .net and .edu. And the CCTLDs are used to define generally a geographic location, like to define a country, to define a place. These are like .in used for India, .uk for United Kingdom, and .us for United States, .au for Australia, and something like this. Now the second type is second level domain. It is at the left of top level domain, and we can see it here. Like in our domain, left at the top level domain. This is top level domain, and from left here it is Moon King Hackers Club. This is a second level domain. Generally it is found at the left of top level domain. Now comes to third part, that is subdomain, and it is at the left of second level domain. In our domain there is no subdomain, so I can't show here. We will see it next example. Here you can understand it betterly. Like www known as hostname, and these are subdomains. And here it is second level domain, top level domain, and you can see it here full domain. Like there is top level domain.com and second level domain is Moon King Hackers Club. Then the full qualified domain name is moonkinghackersclub.com. Like now it tells host name, second level as before, and top level domain is .com, and you can see here it is full domain name. Now we will take subdomain is blog, and second level domain is Moon King Hackers Club, and top level domain is .com. Now the full domain name will become blog.moonkinghackersclub.com. Like here it is top level domain, this is subdomain, sorry, second level domain, and this one is subdomain. Generally there are three stands for a domain name. Like in our case, www.moonkeyhackersclub.com is our domain name. Here .com is domain extension. This one is our organization or company name, and this one is host or server name. You can define it. Let's come to our next topic, free domains. Oh, free domains. The word free is terrible. Like some companies like Google and WordPress provide their users to host their website free without any charges. But there will be something in your domain name. Like you cannot get free domain like moonkeyhackersclub.com. There will be something like blogspot.com and wordpress.com at the end of your full domain name. Blogspot is an initiative by Google, and the WordPress is another private company. Both have their great competition between them. So here, and you can make your free blog or website with these type of free domains without any coding skills on Blogspot and WordPress content management systems. These domains are generally always free for use. You can register for a free subdomain on famous content management platforms like Blogger, WordPress, and Tumblr. So now comes to our next topic, that is where to register for a domain name. Here I will tell you about famous registrars and hosting packages with domain name also. Actually there are various websites provide domain registration. I recommend you to register for your domain name web hosting from same website. After that you will get some offers from that. Like you are registering for hosting, you are choosing HostGator, then I recommend you to choose domain name also from HostGator. It will save you lots of money. And if you are purchasing a hosting plan, then you can also get a free domain. Here are some sites. If you need only domain, then you can use godaddy.com, the famous registrar, and other options are oneandone.com, bigrock.in, and the networksolution.com. And if you need some coupon codes, just visit our website. And you need both hosting and domain, then you can register from dreamhost.com and bluehost.com. Here you can get an offer of your free domain name. You have to pay only for web hosting, and you will get a free domain also. Let's come to our next topic, that is domain marketing. Concept behind domain marketing is very simple. This is the best online one-time investment business I like so much. Everyone wants easy domains like music.com, life.com, god.com, or whatever else, but these domains are already registered by someone else at normal prices. But now these domains are property of domain owner instead of domain registrar. Then domain owner can get big amount of money by selling these type of domains. So run your mind and purchase some good, easy, and short name domains. The domain marketing business is like a property business. Here you can sell your own domains at your own price. Like you can decide what price you have to sell, and the purchase price is not generally normal. For domain marketing, these are famous sites. Here it is. The one is sedo.com and the other one is domainmarket.com. Now we will talk about what are best domain names. Everyone needs so much traffic, and your domain shows what is your website is all about, and how it is your website. It can only shown by your domain name. So first of all, if you want to define your blog by domain name, then think about your website niche, your website or your website content. That's what about your website, what is about all about your blog or website, what is containing. If today's trending is generally people use long tail words because it is easy to remember, and there are a lot of profits of long tail keywords. And if you need a good traffic for a blog or website, then you must choose a domain name containing it easy to remember it, like hackersclub.com, lifehacker.com. These are some blogs having good traffic from that because they are already registered by now. So fire up your mind and think about some good domain names. Okay, that what is it, and subscribe our channel for latest videos. For more tutorials you can log on to our website. Thanks for watching this video.